In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate email responses Gmail. This is perfect for when you're out of the office, on holiday, or simply away from your inbox for a few days. Let's get started. First, open Gmail in your web browser. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. Click on it, then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Find the Vacation Responder section. Scroll down the settings page until you find the Vacation Responder section. It's usually located near the middle of the page. Turn on the Vacation Responder. Click the radio button next to Vacation Responder On to enable the feature. Set your time frame. You have two options here. You can choose to set a start date and end date, or you can leave the end date blank if you're not sure when you'll return. To set dates, check the box next to First Day and choose the date you'll be away. Then check the box next to Last Day and select your return date. Gmail will automatically stop sending auto replies after the last day you set. If you don't set an end date, Gmail will keep sending your auto reply until you manually turn it off. In the Subject field, type a clear and professional subject line. For example, out of office or away until date. Or, thanks for your email. I'm currently away and I will respond to as many messages as I can upon my return. In the message box, type the response you want people to receive. Here's a simple template you can use. Thank you for your email. I am currently out of the office and will return on date. I will respond to your message as soon as possible upon my return. For urgent matters, please contact name at email address. Best regards, your name. Keep your message polite and informative. Let people know when you'll be back and who to contact if something is urgent. So that's all for this video. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.